Ryan Ezell, thanks for joining us today.
Appreciate it.
Okay, very good. We had a great start here for the day here on a Monday at our 29th annual EnerCom Investor Conference. It's quite a compelling story today. Congratulations.
I appreciate it. We're super excited to be here. We got a chance to showcase. We were on the stage here last year as we were kind of in a revolutionary step in the transformation of this organization. Reporting back, 12 months later at a $35 million adjusted EBITDA turnaround.
Great.
Continued growth in market share. So really excited to be here.
Great. So what did you do in the last 12 months that revolutionized the trajectory of the company?
We focused on two components of the business around our chemistry side, called Chemistry Technologies, and our data analytics business, both. We brought to the forefront our prescriptive chemistry analysis we call PCM service.
Sure.
That's been a big driver of the E&P customers. And then our ability to take real-time measurements with our proprietary Verax and VeraCal units on the flare gas side and the upstream component, what we're doing on chain of custody. All those things have created a very unique synergy, I think, for the business. And that and just the normal blocking and tackling and really trying to manage this market, our risk components around what we're seeing in natural gas, and growing our international pieces. And so we're staying really focused on that. We've got one of only two approved slick water systems for Saudi Arabia for Aramco. And so a lot of positive things going our way right now.
You filled the room this morning, so people were very interested in the story. So congratulations.
I appreciate that.
So what's going to be different a year from now?
So I think the big thing we're excited about is our real-time data measurement business is going to be a cornerstone of what we're doing in the future because it'll amplify or turbocharge our chemistry business, I'd like to say. And when you look at our evolution as data as a service, we expect to have significant contribution EBITDA from there. We also expect to improve our EBITDA multiple of the company for the market cap because with the growth of our data analytics business in the 1-2 years out, that standalone value, that segment alone, could exceed the current market cap of the company. And so we're super excited about what we can do there. And again, I think one thing I've always told our investment community, our shareholders, is that if we can make real-time measurements of our chemistry, it always makes it better. And so that's going to be the piece you start to see Flotek evolving on the data as a service, engineering side, and supplemental chemistry aspect. So we're really excited about that.
So on this international end, then, the fact that where would you place your current position internationally? Or where you want to be, or are you just starting to enter these markets? I mean, is this blue sky for you guys?
So we've been international for a decade, but honestly, we're just scratching the surface on what we can do there. We created a local entity in the UAE last year. It's going to allow us to have direct interaction with our customer base over the ADNOC on the stimulation chemical side. You're starting to see unconventionals grow in other international locations, what we're doing in Latin America, and also just a growth in Saudi alone, right? And so when you look at where we've been, that business could triple in size in the next 18 months. And so, and honestly, even tripling in size, it doesn't really scrape the surface how big that market is. So that's a lot of runway for us to grow.
What's the learning curve been like trying to do business with entities like that? Has to be very different, correct?
Well, I would say the interesting part about me coming to Flotek is I worked in the oil and gas industry for almost 25 years. 18 of that was international expat, and I managed Halliburton's operations in Saudi back in the early 2000s. So a lot of time there, East Coast of Africa, West Coast of Africa. So the management team that we built here at Flotek, we've got 125 years of experience, international and domestic locations. And so we're looking to leverage that experience, leverage those contacts to really, grow and I would say diversify this business, right, and get some of the volatility out of where we've been in the past.
Congratulations on a great year.